Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the battery optimized and battery saver in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, go to the settings here and search for the option battery in settings. And there is option the battery saver. So you can enable it by pressing it, and your battery gonna be much safer, and the voltage will be much more efficient for your phone. You can set Sheluda for this mode and turn it off when charged. You can turn off your phone above 90%, so to fastest the charge of your phone. And you can disable it by clicking on it. Sheluda is for you if you want to make Sheluda on %, so you can enable it when the phone goes to some % which you want. Yep. That's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!